Hello friends, it's Jiftesh from Enco Digital. In today's session, I want to show you the SORA, which is the text to video AI from OpenAI. So I've been using this one. So I have the ChatGPT Plus account, not the free one, it is the paid one. But even with the ChatGPT Plus account, for the videos, it doesn't give an option to download like it gives for the images because it says the download option is in the further one, which is I think the premium one account. So I want to show you guys how you can download the videos if you have the Sora account, even the plus one where you don't where you can't download easily. And I will quickly show you the Sora if you've never seen it before. So let me quickly show you. So let me share my screen. So this is the Sora. So you can go to sora.chatgpt.com. I think this page must be available free of cost actually. I can't try because I am the paid user. But let me try actually. What I can do is if I quickly go to the private window, let me see if I can because I'm not logged in. And yes, so you can see, and let me see if you can. It doesn't give any option, it just show all the images. Can you guys see the videos? If I say explore videos, no, you will not be able to see the videos without logging in. Maybe it would work with your free account, but check. But anyways, if you have the plus account, then even it doesn't allow you to download. That's the thing I want to show you guys. So if you go to the videos, and this is where explore, it will show you basically many videos, AI videos which has been produced. You can produce your own one, create one by giving here the prompt for the video, a text prompt, which I'll quickly show you one or two I given, and then you can select check on which aspect ratio. And at the plus account, it only gives up to 720p, but also with 720p, the duration it restrict to 5 seconds. It can be only 5 seconds of the video. Okay, if you want the longer one, you have to go for the premium account, which is £200 per month. This one is £20 per month, and then of course you can create the images. So let's quickly have a look first of all how you can download the video, very first thing. Yeah, so let's say if I want to download this video, as you can see, it doesn't give me any option to download it at all, and they have said in their pricing plan as well the download option is in the premium plan, the next one. What you guys can do is just right click and inspect, and when you do the inspect, it will of course take you to the developer console. Click on this network. It shows like this. If I'm using Edge, but same thing is on the Chrome as well and any other browser. So if you go to the network, this basically it might show you all the files it loads. So when you're doing, because our page is already loaded, it's not going to do that one. So what you do is once you have developer panel open in the networks, then refresh this page. When you refresh this page, it is fetching all the files related to that page. But the thing which we are interested is in going to the media. Okay. When you go into the media, somehow it's not showing. Let me refresh again by selecting the media. Yeah, now you can see here it is. It's showing two files. One is 105 kilobyte and one is 3 megabyte. So whichever is the bigger one, that is the video. So click on that one, and in the headers tab, so it will give you the link. What you can do is just copy this link. Okay, I am copying it by Control C, or you can copy here as well, and just open another tab, paste it, enter, and this will give you the video will run, and then you can download it from these dots. You can see the download. So that way you can download it. Basically, I don't know why they can't just give a button. It is not like they are hiding it. It's just you need, if you're a developer, you know all these things anyway. I'm talking about if someone is just into the AI, but you are not into the development, never seen the developer panel or the console before. So this is the way to download. I think they shouldn't hide it. They should just give the button. Yeah, but that's the way to download it. Now, quickly, just on the creation of the text to video. I have created. Be careful on. You have to give lots of prompt if you're looking for something specific. So, for example, in my media, I was trying various different things. It didn't. I asked in this one for Tesla robot to basically serve a coffee in a coffee shop. It didn't do well. As you can see, this was a rubbish video it created. And then I was creating the video for my Nino's Bank as well, and then yeah, few other videos I was trying, like as you can see, for Nino's Bank app, which I made a video earlier, the app which I created in Ionic. So I was thinking to create like the marketing video or something like that, so I give a go, because as you can see, I have to give multiple tries, because what it was doing was nothing. I was asking it to show the app and then basically play, and then suddenly it is presenting the gibberish. I don't know what it was doing. And then, but later on, after a few tries, I was able to create this one. It's not the best of bad, but at least it was not messing up with the app on the phone, because here in this video, it's shown this, but then it was messing up the app on the video. So there are a lot of prompts you have to try. Still early phase, but it's good. It's very good, to be honest. If you explore the videos, you can see some very cool videos over there. And like I said, same way you can download it. Just click on the video, and like I should go to the developer console, right click, inspect, or you can press F12 on your keyboard as well to go into the developer console. All right, guys, that was quick one. Just wanted to show you how you can download the videos as it is. You don't need to screen grab, because I was looking into the screen grab and all those sort of things. You don't need to do anything those, as you can download it as the proper resolution. Speak to you guys in the next one. Thank you.